Good morning, children. Before I start the lesson, I would like to tell you a small story. There was a boy called Gautam. He wanted to celebrate his birthday in an orphanage. His parents were so happy. My child wanted to celebrate his birthday in an orphanage. So his father, Sinu, went to a shop and bought a cake. And Sinu and his mother, Lakshmi, and Gautam, all the three went to an orphanage. So what they did, there were 7 girls and there were 3 boys in an orphanage. Gautam cut the cake into 10 equal parts, and the girls got 7 by 10 of the cake, the girls got, and the boys got 3 by 10 of the part of the cake was given to the boys. So what is this 7 by 10 and what is this 3 by 10? What do you call this? This is what you call it as a fraction. So this is the lesson what I am going to start with today. So what is a lesson? Fraction. And one more story with this I'll tell you. See, there was a girl called Ranjita. See, during a holiday she wanted to help her mother. See, there was a wardrobe in her house. There was a small wardrobe in her house. There was 5 shelves. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 shelves were there. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 shelves. So what Ranjita did is 1, 2 and 3. All the 3 shelves she arranged with the clothes. That is 3 by 5 of the wardrobe was covered with what do you call clothes, and remaining this 2 by 5 was not arranged. So what this is what 3 by 5 and this 2 by 5 is only what we call it as a fraction. Yeah, there is one activity which we can do it in the class now. See, what is the activity is, I'll just draw 16 circles now. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. So now what you have to do is 1 by 4 of 16. So 1 by 4 of 16 circles you have to color with red. And 1 by 2, that is half of 16, you have to color with green. And 1 by 4 of 16 again you color with blue. So again I'll repeat. 1 by 4 of 16 circles you color with red. Now we'll start now. 1 by 4 of 16 is what? 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 by 4 of 16 I have colored with red. Now half of 16. What is half of 16 is 8. So this 8 circles I have to color with green color. Now what is next one is 1 by 4 of 16. What is 1 by 4 of 16 is 4. This 4 I have to do with blue color. 1 by 4 of 16 you have to color with blue color. Now just tell me how many circles are in red color. How many circles are in blue color? How many circles are in green color? Now how many, first question, how many circles are red color and how many are in blue color and how many are in green color? Now how many circles are red in color? 1, 2, 3 and 4. That is 1 by 4. 1 by 4 of 16 circles. So this is what? This is colored in red color. Okay, next. How many circles are colored in blue color? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 1 by 4 of 16 are colored in blue color. The last one, how many circles are colored in green color? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So 1 by 8 of, sorry, 1 by 2, that is half of, half of 16 are colored with green color. So what is it, how many? So this is what you call it as a fraction. 1 by 4 and 1 by 2 is what you call it as a fraction. This is what you call it as a fraction. 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 2. This is what you call it as a fraction. Fraction. What is fraction? Fraction is a number. Fraction is a number representing the part of the whole. See, I told you, I gave you an activity also. 1 by 4, 1 by 2, 1 by 4 and one more story I told you, Gautam story, 7 by 10, 3 by 10. So this is all what we call it as a fraction. And this whole may be a single object or a group of objects. So what is fraction? I'll repeat once again. Fraction is a number representing the part of the whole. And this whole may be a single object or a the whole may be a single object or a group of objects. It may be a single object or a group of objects. So example, I think I told you the activity which what I told you, the coloring in the coloring the circles, 1 by 4, 1 by 2, 1 by 4, and the Gautam orphanage, how the cutting of cakes, 7 by 10 and 3 by 10. So this all what you call it as a fraction. Okay, you have understood what is fraction. See, there's one more thing. I'll just draw you a chocolate, a piece of chocolate. I think everyone likes this chocolate. 1, 2 and 3 and 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parts of chocolate Kavita was having. See, Kavita was having 5 parts of chocolate. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5. See, Raman, he wanted 3 parts of chocolate. That is 1, 2 and 3. So Raman wanted 3 parts, that is 3 by 5. So what is this 3 by 5? 3 is the numerator. 3 is the numerator and 5 is the denominator. Now again I'll tell you. So this is 5 parts of chocolate. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So Kavita was having 5 parts of chocolate and Raman wanted 3 parts, 1, 2 and 3. That is 3 by 5 parts of the cake. Part of the cake, chocolate he wanted Raman. And this 3 is numerator and 5 is the denominator. Now what is numerator? Now what is numerator and what is denominator? Can anyone tell what is numerator and what is denominator? Yes, numerator is the part, equal parts, that is the equal parts which is taken from the whole. What is the numerator? The equal parts which is taken from the whole. Which is taken from the whole. And what is denominator? It is the equal parts. It is the equal parts. It is the equal parts which the whole has been divided. Which the whole has been divided. Now I'll repeat what is numerator. The equal parts. The equal parts 1, 2, 3. The equal parts into the which the whole is it is taken from the whole of the object. And what is denominator? The equal parts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This 5 is which the whole has been divided. Yes, children, I think you must have understood numerator and denominator. Now, we will just little bit of practice we will do. Pick out the numerator and denominator. Pick out the numerator and denominator in the given fractions. Pick out the numerator and the denominator from in the given fractions. In the given fractions. And what you have to do, just put In the numerator box, you have to put that number, and in the denominator number, you have to fill up, or you have to put the number. Now first one, 4 by 6. Now how will you put 4 by 6? Which one is the numerator and which one is the denominator? Yes, 4 is the numerator and 6 is the denominator. Very good. Second one, 7 by 12. Now which one is the numerator here? 7 is the numerator and 12 is the denominator. Now next, 13 by 20. Now can anyone tell what is numerator, which one is the numerator and which one is the denominator? Yes, 13 is the numerator and 20 is the denominator. So what is numerator? 4 by 6. In 4 by 6, which is the numerator? 4 is the numerator and denominator is a 6. And in 7 by 12, 7 is the numerator and 12 is the denominator. In 13 by 20, 13 is the numerator and 20 is the denominator. Yeah, next sum. See, there are 11 beads. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11 beads. See, in that 2 are colored in white color. So 2 are in white. So how many beads did I tell you? 11 beads. There are 11 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. In that, the color of the beads, see, this is green, violet, violet, white, green, violet, white, violet, green, violet and violet. Now tell me how many are green colored beads and how many are violet and how many are white colored beads. Now how many are green colored beads? 1, 2 and 3. So how will you write this? 3 by 11. 3 by 11 beads. 3 out of 11 beads are colored in green color. Okay, now tell me how many are colored in white? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, how many are colored in white? 1, 2, 2 are colored in white. So the green color is 1, 2 and 3. 3 out of 11 are colored in colored in green color, and violet 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is 6 by 11. And white is 1, 2 are colored in white color. That is 2 by 11. This is what you call it as the numerator and the denominator. A third sum, write the fraction representing the shaded portion. This is the next sum. Write the fraction representing the shaded portion. See, so write the fraction representing the shaded portion. So this portion now tell me how many are there? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So there are 8 out. This is 8 is the denominator. So how many are shaded? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4 by 8. So 4 by 8 is the answer for this. That is The shaded portion is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4 is shaded out of 8. Out of 8, 4 is shaded. So this is the answer for it. Second one, second sum. Now tell me, what is it? What is the answer for it? See, there are, how many boxes are there? How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now what you have to do? The denominator will be 10 here. So how many are shaded here? So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So the answer is 4 by 10. So you have to write the fraction representing the shaded portion. So the 4 out of 10, 4 are shaded. So the answer is 4 by 10. The next one is, now tell me, what is the answer for it? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the denominator will be 9. So how many are shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So answer is 5 by 9. Now tell me, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So how many are shaded here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So the answer is 9 by 16. That is, write the fraction representing the shaded portion, the shaded portion. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this 9 are shaded out of 16 circles. So this is the sum, right? The fraction representing the shaded portion.